Are you ready to revamp your wardrobe for the chilly days ahead? Winter has arrived and it's time to rethink the contents of your closet. But fear not, we're here with foolproof tips to ensure your wardrobe stays fresh, cozy, and stylish all season long. First off, consider this golden rule. Invest in quality essentials. Picture a warm, snug coat, a chunky knit sweater, and a pair of versatile boots. These are the pillars of any winter wardrobe. Build your foundation with such key pieces, and a world of stylish outfit options is yours for the taking. Next up, remember to layer. Winter is all about striking the balance between style and warmth, and layering is your secret weapon. Dare to mix and match different textures and patterns. Don't shy away from a pop of color or a statement accessory. The world is your runway, so strut your stuff. Our third tip is to rotate your pieces. Keeping your wardrobe fresh is as simple as giving different items their time to shine. This not only keeps outfit fatigue at bay, but also opens your eyes to new and exciting combinations. Plus, it'll ensure your favorite pieces don't wear out too quickly. Tip number 4 is a crucial one. Take care of your clothes. Winter garments often demand special attention. Adhere to the care instructions on the labels, treat your items gently when washing, and store them properly. This will keep them looking their best and extend their lifespan. Last, but certainly not least, stay inspired. Keep tabs on fashion blogs, flip through magazines, and observe street style. Draw inspiration from the world around you to keep your winter style game on point. Remember, confidence is your best accessory, so wear it boldly. To recap, your winter wardrobe game plan should include investing in quality essentials, mastering the art of layering, rotating your pieces, taking good care of your clothes, and staying inspired. Follow these tips, and you'll have a wardrobe that's not just warm and cozy, but also brimming with style. Thanks for tuning in to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more fashion tips and tricks. Stay stylish and warm,